I try not to reinvent the wheel all the time. The people at the Featherweight Shop in Idaho, America, have done a great job of explaining sewing machine needles. Please have a look at the link in 2.10 Threading Resources. All I can add is not to underestimate the importance of the correct size and type of needle for your project. I have also compiled a reference table for you to use when deciding about machine needles, threads, and fabrics. Sometimes it can be a bit of trial and error. Knits and stretch fabrics are notoriously fiddly and will skip stitches if they don't agree with your choice of needle. Therefore, you should have an assortment of different types to try when things get tricky. Experience is the best teacher. If the screw holding the needle is more than finger tight, loosen it with a screwdriver and then unscrew it further. Remove the needle. Select another, more suitable needle. Notice the flat side of the shank. This always faces backwards when the needle is inserted. You'll need to remove the foot to get the needle out. If the foot is a snap-on type, press the button behind the foot to release it. Long, bent nose tweezers are great for a situation like this. If the needle has fallen deep into the machine out of sight, you'll probably have to unscrew the foot plate to see if it interferes with the workings of the machine. But you have to get it out. Grab the needle below the shank and with the flat side backwards, insert it into the holder all the way. And while holding it, finger tighten the screw. Test to see if this needle produces the desired results. Looking good. So the end result is that the ballpoint needle worked well on this stretch fabric while the universal needle did not at all.